Hi dear Taurus, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is very hot here, so I'm sweating a little bit, so please bear with me. Yeah, I'm not looking that much beautiful today. I don't know why. So this is a reading for Taurus singles because I'm getting so many requests from people all over the world that please do singles reading. So that's why I'm doing it. So this is a reading from 25th of August till 30th of September. So it's a reading of almost 1 month. So yeah, as this is journal love reading, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place, and the second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. Okay, so I'll tap into your past energy, your present energy regarding love, and what the past person is feeling for you, and your energy regarding new love and the guidance. Okay, so Taurus, let's start quickly. Your past energy regarding love was recent past energy, you can say. So Taurus, your recent past energy regarding love was. Let's see. And I just want to give a good shuffle to these cards because I want the reading to be very clear and honest. Let's start. Taurus, Queen of Wands. Taurus, I feel like you were in a highly physical relationship in the recent past. You were highly attracted to that person. You were sexually very good with each other. I feel like this. And for some of you, you were very passionate about this connection. Very passionate about this connection. I don't see any kind of, emotional kind of love here, but I can see sexual kind of love here. You guys were very attracted to each other, or this person, whomsoever you were connected with, this person was very attracted to you because you look so good, you smell so good, whatever it was. It's kind of sexual chemistry thing between you guys, and there was highly sizzling, romantic, hot kind of connection. Let's clarify the Queen of Wands before making any further assumptions. Yeah, let's clarify. The Hermit, you could be dealing with the Virgo here, and Eight of Pentacles and the World. Okay. I feel like you were trying your best to work out on that connection. You were trying your best to analyze what is this connection really. You were trying your best. You were going inside again and again and talking to yourself whether I should work on this connection or not, whether it's finished, whether it's unfinished, what kind of connection it is. So Taurus, I feel like that was a very confusing connection that you were in with this particular person. And that was highly sexual kind of relationship. I can't see any cups here. I can't see any emotions here. Either you or them, either you or them were very attracted towards this particular person, and this was a highly sizzling and hot chemistry between you guys. And that's why you were, that's why you were often, you often felt like I should just talk to myself, I should just whether I should, give my energy and effort to this connection or not, whether I should end this connection, what should I do, what should I. You were in constant confusion regarding this particular connection in the past. Yeah, but let me tell you again, you guys were highly passionate about each other. I can see a mutual energy here. Still unfinished. I feel like still you are coming out of this thing. You are not, you're not fully coming out of this. You're not fully out of this connection right now. You're just coming out of this. This is happening with you, Taurus. Or you might be looking exceptionally good to people around you, and they can't resist you. This is the thing, right? Okay, Taurus, let's see what's your current energy regarding love, singles. This is single. This is for me. Yeah, let's see what's your current energy regarding love. Knight of Wands again. So, from Queen of Wands, you're going to Knight of Wands. So, you were highly passionate about somebody in the past. You were in a relationship where there was hot and sizzling chemistry and all that. But now you're calming down. You're just calming, downgrading yourself. So I feel like now you are feeling like, yeah, sex and all that is good, but I just want stability in my life, so I just want to slow down. Although this is card of Knight of Wands is a card where somebody is highly sexually attracted to somebody, or looking very good and very fiery and very passionate about somebody. You could be dealing with a fire sign here. Yeah, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, because Wands is here, and sizzling hot chemistry is here. So right now you're downgrading yourself from being very highly sexually attracted towards somebody or highly in a sexual relationship. Now you're coming towards this, yeah, I will see, now I will choose my partner wisely, I don't want this thing in my life. Although you are feeling passionate, although you are very sexually attracted towards, might be few peoples at the same time. This is happening with you, Taurus, let me tell you clearly, because I can see you craving for some kind of intimacy. It could be love intimacy, it could be physical intimacy, but most of you, I feel like you are looking good, feeling good. You're trying to look good. You're trying to flirt with new people. You are trying to find comfort and love in somebody new, in new people around you. And I feel like you're connected with more than two people at the same time. I don't know what kind of weird thing I'm getting here intuitively, but yeah, this is the thing. Let's clarify the Knight of Wands in your present energy regarding your love life. My God, what the fuck are you doing, Taurus? This is Queen of Wands, Knight of Wands, Ace of Wands. What the fuck are you doing with yourself? Are you just sleeping over with everybody around you? Are you just feeling highly sexual, or what is happening? Nine of Cups and the Three of Pentacles. So I feel like you got somebody, you are in a sizzling hot chemistry, sizzling hot relationship with somebody, and it is kind of wish fulfillment for you. I feel like you guys are happy with each other. Whomsoever you are connected with right now in this connection, you are this is, first of all, this is highly sexual connection. And the second thing, you are really happy in this connection. You are feeling like, yeah, this is what I wanted to be a part of this connection only. I want to put in the effort, put in the energy in this connection, whomsoever you are connected with right now. And you're enjoying this. This is kind of wish fulfillment for you. It's making you happy. It's making you fucking happy. Nice, Taurus. You're being a player now. This is not a typical Taurus behavior, but I feel like Taurus is behaving like a player now. Yeah? Trying new things, trying, and with new people. God. Okay, let's see what the past person feels for you. Their feelings for you. What the past person feels for you. Whomsoever you were connected in within the past. Strength. You could be dealing with a Leo. So this person is holding back a lot. They are just holding back a lot. Lots of things. They are just acting courageous. They are acting like, yeah, I don't give a shit about Taurus. Whatever they are doing, let them do. Blah, blah, blah. But they're holding back. They're trying their best to hold back. I'll clarify. But this person is holding back a lot of things from you. Let's clarify. I don't see any kind of love here till now, but let's clarify. The strength card might be the love is here. Okay, in their feelings for you. Ten of Cups, see? Ten of Cups and the Four of Swords and the Devil. Okay, so I feel like this person was really happy with you. Okay, now they are holding back. They're silent as fuck. They're not talking to you at all because they are feeling like this relationship was toxic, kind of becoming toxic, and you guys were, very addicted to each other, and it was like some kind of burden to them, or some kind of burden, or might be they were with the third party, were in a third party situation. That's why right now they're trying to pull back, and they're just trying to be silent because they feel like, I have somebody to deal with right now, and that's why they are just holding back. But trust me, this person is really happy. Whenever they are with you, they are really happy. But they are hiding. They are just trying to hold back because they are heartbroken. They're completely heartbroken, and they're just trying to not to be in a toxic relationship again. Not to make this connection, a negative thing again. I feel like you both were in this connection just for a physical satisfaction thing, or at least one of you was there because the physical intimacy was very good. And now I feel like, especially you, Taurus, you are feeling like this is a toxic thing and this is a toxic relationship, and that is why you are just uh, exploring new things with new people. And this person right now is feeling like they should hold back, trying their best to hold back. They're completely heartbroken. Okay, they're showing that they don't care, but they do, really do. They really do. They really feel happy with you. Yeah. Let's see what's your energy regarding new life, new love, or somebody new in your life, or if you are ready for a new relationship. Page of Swords. So don't lie to me, Taurus. You are watching over somebody. You are just, it is not that kind of spying that you're an up there or something like that. But yeah, you are watching over somebody on Facebook or Insta or something like that. Yeah, this is what you're doing, and you are being, and whomsoever is coming towards you, are being very rude. I don't want you. I don't want you. You are in some kind of different energy right now, and I feel like you should come down to earth. Just relax a little bit because might be you're trying new things, might be you're exploring new things right now, but this is not the right way to deal with people. You are cutting out people like this and that from your life, and this is not good. You are going to regret it later, Taurus. Just calm down, relax, and be on the ground. Don't fly. What the hell are you doing? Like what? Ten of Wands, Page of Pentacles, Two of Swords. So I feel like you are in some kind of pressure. You feeling like I have taken so many responsibilities in my life. I just need a break. I just want to start my life. But again, you're in the crossroads. You're trying your best to restart your life, and you're trying your best to reconnect with your inside, to reconnect with with the people whom you feel like, yeah, I love them and they need me and they really appreciate me. And you're on the crossroads. Again, you're on the crossroads regarding somebody. I feel like you are feeling like, now I'm feeling like, Taurus, you are so much connected to the past person, or you can say obsessed with the past person, that you watch them via Facebook, Insta, or something like that. But you are holding back because you feel like this is a burden to connect with this particular person. That is why you are in under such so much pressure, whether you should text them or not, whether you should talk to them or not. You are on the crossroads. You are definitely on the crossroads whether to talk to this person or not, with whomsoever you were connected in the past. Okay, I'm not talking about the present people, I'm talking about the past person that you were connected with. You're missing this person, you're missing their energy. I don't see love here, but you're missing their energy, missing them. I saw love in their feelings for you. This person loves you. I don't feel like love is from your side. You are just curious to know, just missing them here and there, like, yeah, I miss them. This is kind of the, let's see what is the guidance for you till the 30th of September. 30th September. Guidance card for you guys, Taurus. Ten of Pentacles, I feel like you should work on your business, money, job, and everything related to money. I feel like there's something beautiful coming in regarding your money. You will be monetarily very. I'm really sorry, something fell off. I'm really sorry, something fell off. Yeah. You will be monetarily very happy. I feel like financial abundance is coming towards you till the 30th of September, and you're going to enjoy this abundance. Enjoy. And I feel like intuitively I'm feeling like this is kind of family time as well. This is kind of financial independence, abundance as well, that is coming towards you till the end of September. It's a very good card. And otherwise, as a guidance, this card is telling me that you should just focus on your money and business and job, and just just keep everything aside, keep every person or whomsoever is distracting you from your path of becoming successful in life. Just keep them aside. Taurus, you can do it. I know. Taurus, if they are feeling like, yeah, I have to do it, they will do it. Knight of Pentacles, that card could be dealing with the Scorpio, Knight of Cups. Cool. So somebody is coming towards you really slow. After a breakup, they are coming towards you. Now I'm getting the reason of your happiness. You are going to be really happy by the end of September, because somebody is coming towards you. Somebody is planning to come back towards you. And this person felt like, I'm not getting the exact word, but there was a breakup. Somebody was really slow to approach you, and there was a breakup. You guys are like, okay, if you don't love me, just stay away from me. And they also said, okay, stay away from me and all that. But now somebody is coming towards you, and after this breakup thing, they are realizing that they have lots of love for you. And I feel like there's a love proposal coming towards you by the end of September. And this is a same person from the past. This is not somebody new that is coming towards you. But yeah, for some of you, it could be a new person. For most of you, it is a past person coming back to you with lots of love. And that's going to make you fucking happy. Nice. Nice. This is what is coming towards you till the end of September. Okay? Ending of something and beginning of something beautiful in your love life. And it's going to make you really fucking happy. Okay, Taurus. Cool. Good to know that. I feel myself. Yeah, good. So thank you so much, Taurus, for connecting with me. I'll see you soon in the next video for relationship and love. September videos. Bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste. Bye.